Rushing is destroying your beauty. Glow family, welcome back. I'm Jenice Story, nurse, essential oil health coach, and founder of AJ's EO Infusions. Every Sunday, we pause together for Soulful Sunday, a space to reset, recharge, and remember that your glow is more than skin deep. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss your weekly glow ritual. Before we dive in, remember this channel is for educational and inspirational purposes only. I'm a nurse and essential oil coach, but this is not medical advice. Please consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your wellness routine. Always use essential oils safely and responsibly. You think rushing helps you get ahead, but it's actually stealing your glow, and I've lived it. As a nurse, I've seen rushing cause mistakes that could have been prevented with just one pause. As a mom, I've watched rushing steal my presence with my kids. As an entrepreneur, I've caught myself rushing into decisions that needed reflection. When you pause, something powerful happens in your body. Cortisol levels, your stress hormone, begin to lower. Your breathing slows, your mind clears, and your skin even responds because stress shows up in breakouts, dullness, and premature aging. Science proves that rituals, small, intentional pauses, signal safety to the brain. They tell your nervous system, you're okay, you're safe, and when your body feels safe, everything flows better, your mood, your energy, your beauty, and your health. So, yes, slowing down isn't just spiritual, it's scientific. It's the reset your body is begging for. I remember a time at work where everything felt urgent, call lights going off, new patients arriving, and me moving so fast I forgot the one thing that matters most, my own presence. I rushed into a room, flustered and overwhelmed. But when I stopped, took one deep breath and reset, I walked back in with clarity. That shift changed the entire encounter. The patient calmed down. I made fewer mistakes, and I was reminded, rushing never wins. Reset always wins. And Glow family, I know you feel it too. Whether it's juggling your career, family, faith, or personal health, the rush keeps you anxious, but the reset brings you home to yourself. This is exactly why I created the lip ritual, because I needed a daily reminder to pause, to reset, to reclaim my glow. It may look like a simple scrub, but it's not just about exfoliating, it's about a reset moment. Lavender essential oil calms your nervous system. Peppermint refreshes and clears your mind. Frankincense grounds your spirit so you feel steady again. And the best part, you don't rinse it off. It's a no-rinse ritual, a pause you carry with you wherever you are, in the car, at your desk, even during a stressful day at work. Every time I use it, I'm not just caring for my lips, I'm caring for my soul. It reminds me daily that luxury isn't found in more, it's found in less. Less rushing, more ritual. So, Glow family, my invitation this week is simple pause. Reset, even if it's just 30 seconds. Claim that space for yourself because your glow isn't waiting in the rush, it's hiding in the reset. If you're ready to try the lip ritual, the link is below. Shop the ritual, join Glow Notes, and listen to the podcast this Wednesday where we'll dive deeper into Reset Over Rush. Glow family, your glow matters, and so does your peace. You've just watched AJ's EO Infusions Soulful Sunday with Jenice Story. Remember, beauty is more than skin deep. It's soul deep. Stay connected, stay glowing, and I'll see you next Sunday.
Glow family, thank you for joining me for Soulful Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and follow at AJ's EO Infusions across all platforms to stay connected. Shop the lip ritual at AJ's EO Infusions. It's your 30-second reset for calm, clarity, and glow. Join our Glow Notes newsletter for weekly rituals, inspiration, and keep glowing with purpose. This is an AJ's EO Infusions Soulful Sunday, where beauty begins with peace.